They want to fuck, bro. Can they suck my dick, bro? But you don't even believe me, dude. I called a hoe right now, bro. That hoe was like, can I suck your dick, please? Real talk. I didn't even right here, bro. I didn't even have my hoe in there, bro. Still got them hoe I do. Feel back from me. You gotta fall back sometimes, bro. You gotta fall back, man. Hey, man, you can't be in these niggas in these whole face all the time, dog. You gotta fall back sometimes, dog. Tell me. So this shit
in this motherfucker and I get G. I'm ready getting high and put a bitch up on her knees. Bitch nigga freeze, we put them in their place. Every time a nigga wanna disrespect, we catch a case. Nigga stay up out my face, stay up out my circle, stay up out my zone, motherfucker, before I hurt you, before a nigga murk you. Murder on my stomach, see that's the way I'm coming. Make a weak nigga vomit, cause he ain't ate shit. How much can you take, bitch? Before I come up in here like it's prison and you get raped quick. Nigga wrecking on these murder shows, ripping on all the beats. Do this shit for my peeps, do this shit for the streets, do this shit with the heat. Set them hoes to flame. Now I rip down the roof, nothing but venom or shit when I came. Nigga, who's to blame? I put that ham on my chest when I aim. Hold it, what the fuck? Really fuck me. Niggas wanna keep on fucking with me to get ugly. Niggas wanna try to test, nigga on his own. Nigga should've stayed his punk ass at home. A nigga wanna test, a nigga wanna bleed. A nigga wanna find himself in the place of a bitch on his knees. A nigga really wanna fuck with me? Bitch, please.
Hey, bitch, please. Let me tell you about this hoe Rebecca. See, the little hoe wrote me a long letter. She told me she loved my records, told me to do better. And she went and bought me some J with the matching sweater. I was fly that day. I remember that night. I remember that play. I remember that flight. Oh, that was a long second in the moment. I had to take it out for them four niggas round the corner. Them niggas ain't really love me. They ain't even feel my swag. So I had to go hard in the treasure bag. Yeah, I'm going hard. Some shit that you never had. I'm Bulldog, motherfucker. Why you always mad? Why you mad for? I ain't even rich yet. Only thing I got a bad hoe, thick bag. And she wanna fuck with Boo because I'm offset. You niggas upset because we up next.
Bitch, motherfucker, say please. I come up in this bitch and then I put up on their knees. Nigga freeze. Who the fuck you thought that you was fucking with? Look me in my eyes, bitch, now take a hit. You wanna fuck with me? Goddamn, this shit get ugly. You didn't know I brought in a couple of buddies. This shit is sick. Before you fuck with us, know who you fucking with.
Hey, bitch, please. Bitch, you ain't nothing but a motherfucking tease. That perk keep my mind at motherfucking ease. I'm like a motherfucking soldier. Had ease, yo bitch on her knees. She begging me like mastermind, please. Bitch, get up out my face. You ain't nothing but a hoe. I let them hoes go for show. My money stacking to the top, and I won't let it go. I said I'm stacking to the city. I'm trying to get a billion. I'm trying to be a quadrillionaire. I don't give a fuck, I don't care. I'm trying to make sure my family straight. These motherfuckers didn't believe me, but I'ma be richer than Bill Gates. My folks in my face
I'ma be richer than Bill Gates. My white boy, yeah, he keep a black nigga straight. Keep a nigga on hard, keep a nigga straight. He keep putting the food in my plate. Already, hey.
Make a bitch nigga say please and put a motherfucker down to his knees. It don't quit. You better know who you fucking with. Just the shit have a motherfucker lit when we on that ride. Damn nigga, I came to get high. You bitch niggas doing drive-bys. Fuck nigga, we put up on your face. How much can Facebook take?
Hey, I put that on his head,
motherfuckers made. See what happened was.
That on his head.
See what the fuck happened was. Now hold on. See what the fuck happened? Some murderous shit just happened. Nigga still shooting a pistol and shit. He can't stop shooting and shit.
I can't stop flashing on these bitch ass nigga, man. Nigga run up on me, bro. I'ma let 50 go on that Block Squad gang. We locked in that bitch, bro.
I'm gonna get that bitch on.